In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Visa gift card on Apple Pay. First, make sure your Visa gift card is activated. Some gift cards also need to be registered with your name and billing zip code before they can work with digital wallets like Apple Pay. You can usually do this on the website listed on the back of the card. Next, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Then select Debit or Credit Card and continue. You can now either scan your Visa gift card using your camera or enter the card details manually. Type in the card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and billing zip code linked to the gift card. After entering the information, tap Next. Apple may verify the card with the card issuer before adding it to Apple Pay. Once verification is complete, the card will appear inside your Apple Wallet and be ready to use for payments. Once your Visa gift card is added to Apple Pay, you can simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch and tap to pay anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Also, if you're interested in learning more about protecting and growing your money long-term, check out the free guide from Augusta Precious Metals linked in the description. It's a helpful resource for understanding precious metals, retirement diversification, and financial planning.